Okay, so let's go again to tools and explore what do we have. We have a separate tool. Let's select both objects and press separate. Awesome. And select now one object and another object. However, we can see it's in some kind of group. Yeah. So in order to, let's say, release these two objects from that group, because if we will select the group, we still can move them around. Yeah. We need to select them individually in order to move it like that. Okay, so let's pretend that we want to get rid of the group. We can select these two objects, middle mouse click, and drag it away from that group and release it by middle mouse click. Or we can select the group, go to the edit, and ungroup. Just press it ungroup, and the group will be removed. However, we can see that our two objects persist in our outliner. However, we have something not usual. It's a transform value. Okay, so that transform value is from these two objects. When we separated, the transform value was persist. So we need to clear the history. Yes, so we can use this button as well. Just clear it. Awesome. So now you know how to use the separate button.